Now we are interviewing from the T team. The parrot from Playing with Puppets.
Hi. My name is really Puppet Parrot. Not many people know that. Yes. I didn't appear much, but I was such a big role that the detective felt that I should be the first to be interviewed. Well, sorry. So yeah, feel free to ask any questions.
Right, you're answering our questions. We are asking you the question.
Sorry, I just got.
Now, how did you get in the T team?
Well, George needed a puppet. I'm a puppet. The puppet he was thinking of. First puppet he saw. Probably the only puppet in this house. So grabbed me. For the ventriloquism.
How did it feel having people's fingers?
Feels good.
Okay, never mind. Let's not ask that question.
Feels sexy.
Okay. Now, relocating, we did not hear any of that.
Hi!
Hey, Puppet, we have more questions for you.
Oh, God!
Please act how you was acting before.
Okay.
Alright.
Sexy. Okay, I'll come.
How does it... Are the T team members nice, and what is your relationships with them?
Mom, George is really cool. Kitty Cat's awesome. Jesse's amazing. Oh, got Green Yoshi in there. Oh, yeah, he's cool. June, George, they're awesome. They're all awesome. And I'm awesome, I think.
Did anyone disapprove when you came?
What?
Did anyone disapprove when you came?
Well, Jessie did, but she's always mad at everything. You'll find that out when you actually meet her.
Is it true that you are interested in Jessie?
No way! I'm interested in Kitty Cat.
We all know the answer now. No!
So
Okay. George, hurry up and change. It's gonna be you now. Now, the next person we interview.
No, not the same video.
And now, this has been a video of talking with, what's your name?
The Parrot Puppet!
The Parrot Puppet in a T team interview.